How to clear search history on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear search history on Snapchat in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your avatar, and now go to the top corner again and click on this settings option. Now after you go to settings, all what you have to do is simple. Just scroll down until you find clear search history option. Now click on it and click OK. Now I just cleared my search history successfully, easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.